what is going to happen, living in a distant land away from home. Please hold on tight, my love, and just keep waiting, and together we will cherish the future soon. Time goes by, promises slowly fading. The man who told me to hang on is now hanging with another girl. Promises that's meant for me is now spoken to her. It is not what it is. Your lies are now scattered everywhere.